Today, on January 1st, Tesla set price of its China-made Model Y. It's lower than the competition, and Giga Shanghai enters volume production of Model Y made in China. Welcome back, dear friends, on this New Year's Day. Happy New Year to all of you. This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here for the first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla and electric news analysis, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss my next report on Tesla and electric vehicles. Maria Merano has the details from TeslaRati.com, saying Tesla China announced the domestically made Model Y's latest prices as volume production of the electric vehicle crossover Model Y made in China starts in Gigafactory Shanghai. The Model Y Dual Motor all-wheel drive now starts at 339,900 Chinese yuan, which is about $52,000, and the Model Y Performance now starts at $369,900, which is about $56,600 US, a significant reduction from the vehicle's initially announced pricing. Prior to the recent updates, Tesla China listed the Gigafactory Shanghai-produced Model Y's price at $488,000, which was about $74,600 for the dual motor all-wheel drive. But now it has come from $488,000 to $339,000, a significant drop. And the previous and the other version was $535,000, which was $81,000 for the performance version. And as I said, performance version is now has come down from $81,800 to $56,600. This is a significant reduction of the price, and dual motor starts at in comparison, the Model Y dual motor all-wheel drive starts at $49,990, and the Model Y Performance starts at $59,900 in the United States. Recently, Tesla China's Vice President of External Affairs, if you remember, stated that Giga Shanghai has reached its localization supply chain. Let me explain this a little bit. About several months ago, or early in 2020, Tesla China's officials said that Tesla China can reduce prices of China-made Model 3 and Model Y vehicles if they can localize the supply. And now we learned that that localization has already reached its goal, and during the quarter 2 2020, it was in earnings call, like Elon Musk estimated that Giga Shanghai's supply chain would reach around 80% localization by the end of 2020. The recent prices released for the Tesla China Model Y may reflect the localization of Gigafactory Shanghai's supply chain, and so it will be interesting to see how many were already made in December 2020 of these Model Ys of the Chinese production reports, as the Chinese production reports come out. Now, also interesting in Tesla China's update is Giga Shanghai's Model Y default paint option. Unlike the US-made counterparts, notes Maria Merano in Teslarati, black is the China-made Model Y's default paint color. This was Tesla's default color with the Model 3 before the company shifted to the new standard pearl white multi-coat that is available on Fremont-made vehicles today. With its updated pricing, the Model Y in China, the made in China Model Y will be priced far more competitively against local competition like the NIO ES6 and EC6. Other car makers that are looking to tap into the same premium segment as Tesla are likely see some pressure from the American electric car maker as well in China. And while the recent price updates on the Model Y may seem drastic, electric vehicle advocates have noted that the all-electric crossovers initially announced pricing were already speculated to be inflated, like as a means to avoid the vehicle eating into the sales of the made in China Model 3. With Gigafactory Shanghai now ready for Model Y production, however, it appears that Tesla China is now ready for a full on assault and on contrary premium all-electric crossover market. Tesla China has also announced that it expects Model Y customers' deliveries to begin this month, as noted in a report from Reuters. This is roughly 1 year since the electric car maker started customer deliveries of made in China Model 3. Now, here's what I'm thinking based on the comments that I've seen online. A reduced price of made in China Model Y will result in increased sales, but also may trim the profit margin. However, I'm thinking that also Tesla may have, like I said, as Tesla announced, it has reached the localization, so profit margins may not be hurt that much. Tesla will still make money because it's going to do mass production of Model Y made in China. But this is great stuff. It's a good starting price, and I'm sure it will find its level kind of over the next 6 months as the production starts. And I hope consumer confidence is up in China for all electric vehicles. In the time as the Model Y gets exported to Europe, it will be interesting to see how it goes with the made in China Model 3 for Europe and the rest of Asia. It's going to be a big year, I think, for Tesla, as I reported in my previous report yesterday, what we can expect from Tesla in 2021. Having said this, it's hard to know if made in China Model Ys will export to Europe. It's hard to say if they will export the made in China Model Y to Europe. It will really depend on the progress at Berlin Gigafactory and how fast they ramp the Model Y in Shanghai. I can't see them exporting any Model Y in the first 3 months to Europe, as they won't be producing enough to even go close to meeting demand in China. And I'm sure there is a big demand in China, so we'll see how this goes. And of course, the Model Y from Berlin is going to be quite different to those produced elsewhere, with the structural battery, 4680 battery, and the larger castings that Tesla is initiating in Berlin, because I've reported that Tesla is bringing 8, I believe, casting machines. They're called Giga pressers to Berlin, and to replace KUKA robotic arms, hundreds of them. So in the meantime, China is Tesla's largest market after the United States, with sales in Asia, biggest economy, topping 120,000 Tesla units in 2020, according to the latest local registration data. Tesla is still ramping up production in Shanghai, prompting analysts to forecast that China will account for a bigger slice of its sales and earnings going forward. The Model Y, an electric SUV crossover that has a driving range of up to 369 miles, which is 594 kilometers, is expected to help the electric car maker Tesla expand its product lineup and target on a bigger customer base, concludes Bloomberg in reporting the news, and saying Tesla regularly topped monthly premium electric vehicle sales tallies in 2020, helped by the sedan coming out of its multi-billion-dollar plant that was launched with much fanfare in Shanghai the year before. Still, last year was also marked by rivals catching up in Shanghai, in China, and 2021 is expected to hand the company stiffer competition, again concludes Reuters, and also adds that a trio of local champions, NIO Incorporation, Xpeng Incorporation, and Li Auto Incorporation, they have emerged. So these three are Tesla's main competitors in China: NIO, Xpeng, and Li Auto. They are enjoying backing from government entities or internet giants, and the three startups are quickly winning funds, with sales of their electric SUVs, sedans, and crossovers rising in 2020 and their shares surging. NIO's electric SUV, for example, sells at 368,000 yuan or more. But like I said, Tesla China's price is going to be 339,000 yuan, and which is, like I said, about was $52,000, but it was previously announced to be, I think, in the 60s or 70s, I don't remember, $74,000 I think it was supposed to be, but now it's going to be $56,000, a significant reduction of price. Well, friends, let me know what you think about Tesla Model Y's price announced in China. And this is Armen Harian from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news. Happy New Year to all of you. My best wishes to everyone. God bless you. Peace be with all of you. And see you soon in our next report.